Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Sony MDR-XB550AP wired headphones, which are also advertised as being extra bass compatible. So just a handful name there. I mean, Sony has some terrible naming conventions for most of their audio equipment, but whatever. Now the back displays some of the features that are available with the headphones. They're wired again, but they're extra bass compatible. What basically means it's part of Sony's extra bass lineup, and where there's more emphasis on bass output. If you want to, that this is what you'll probably want to go for if you're interested in that type of thing. So of course you can take phone calls and stuff, and that's some of the features listed on the front and the back. Is that you can use there's like a little button on the wire itself, you'll see shortly, in which you can actually answer calls, play pause music with that middle function button. So I'm struggling to get this out. It's not the most expensive headphones, but it just packed so tight, it's like ridiculous. It's actually kind of frustrating. If you watch my other unboxing for other headphones, it's a lot faster and simpler for ones that are like $500 or even almost $600 after tax here in Ontario, Canada. Way more expensive, a bit easier to take out, but better packaged. So here they are. I'm just going to increase the lighting just a little bit so it's a bit easier to see. And I mean, here's the frustration of having a cable, right? A wireless is always great, but sometimes just not available for some people and you want wired. But yeah, I just find wired usually annoying, but whatever. They're incredibly light, like super light. Like they feel really cheap and not in a good way. So I'm not sure, like I'll do a review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. But for now, my first impression is just like, wow, this is too light perhaps? Should I be concerned that it's too flimsy? But I'll put it through the testing and some slight abuse. So yeah, anyway, so in the box is documentation about safety and warranty information, and then here's a quick start guide, which shouldn't be too complicated. I mean, they're wired headphones, but still included nonetheless. And then here's the cable itself, 3.5mm end for typical headphone jack connecting, and just making sure there's nothing else included in there. And that's pretty much it. Again, the function button is there. I don't know if it's called a multifunction button or whatever, but the function button there is on the cable, but we'll go over those details further in the review. That's pretty much it. So if you found this video useful, be sure to check out my social links and website link in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.